As much as Caitlin was trying to figure out whether she had roosters or chickens, it was about time I actually got this block burner stand finished. There's some scrap timber I had laying around. It's time to get it underway. You should be able to get the outside ones enough.
They're going to go under.
Yeah.
So, there's...
That's just about going to do it for this little wok burner stand to start with. We've got a little bit of room on the sides to prep some food up, and obviously we just bang a cast iron fry pan on here, or a wok if you're into that sort of thing, and you'll be away. Gas bottle just down here beside it is good to go. Why is it a rooster? Tail, feathers? Going to the freezer, you reckon? Get them in this pen that the quails are in and get them a bit bigger. He definitely looks like a rooster. Strutting around.
Yeah, that's big saddle feathers there.
Yep. Well, you got to get rid of the boys because we got to get rid of them before they start crowing. Yeah, he looks like a rooster, doesn't he?
He doesn't have big brown,
Looks like he might be good on a barbecue.
Mummy, how much did you put in?
Does she like being held like that?
Don't know.
Why don't you ask her?
Do you like being held like this?
it's the baby, eh? Come on.
I usually not say anything. Oh.
Fair point. Still no mulberries. The birds are getting on before we do.
I'm gonna feed a baby.
It's growing plenty.
Big guys in here. Yeah.
How's that chicken wrangling going? Better give them a hand. They're nearly too big, but sometimes you can't beat landing that. There's three.
Hi.
Get them all?
Yeah, I don't know.
You should fix that crack up to make sure nothing gets in there.
Well, the other one too is bad. Is it?
Yeah, it needs a board on the inside. Another day. The chickens are absolutely fascinated with the Jap quails. I guess they're probably wondering who's in their little house. Okay, so like I said, we've been losing some quails to rodents. Rats in particular, I think. I do have aluminium fly screen on the cages. Some of them have got budgie wire. Those ones have been fine, but sometimes the babies will fall out, especially if they're kings, because they're pretty small. So I've just got the Japs in those cages, and I had the kings in the ones with the aluminium wire, and rats actually chewed in through the aluminium wire and killed quite a few of them. So I don't like poison, but I can't seem to catch them any other way, so we're going to have a go with that today. I've tried different rat traps. They don't seem to be working. If you know any good ones, recommend them. I'll give them a chop. What we're going to do today is crush up some poison. This is some good stuff I got from a local feed barn. And we're going to mix it just with some honey, because I've heard that works. I've tried peanut butter. They used to work. They seem to just eat the peanut butter off this poison. So, yep, we're going to crush it up and see how that goes. Alright, I'm just going to chuck this rag aside, and next time I got the fire pit going, I'm going to throw it in. The dogs aren't allowed in the shed, but we want to be extra careful that they don't eat it. So we'll burn that to get rid of it, and we'll bang the lid on this, and we'll flip it over a couple of times today and make sure it soaks all the way through, and we'll put it in the quail cage tonight and see if they get in there and eat it. Now, during the week, I did get a box of these. I ordered them online. They sort of come out of America, CRKT T-Hawks. So, they're pretty good quality. 1055 high carbon steel. Now, they're a T-Hawk, they're Tomahawk, they're pretty small. Perfect for camp or keeping in the ute. Actually got a job for this one today, so I'll see how that goes. If you're interested in one of these, I will be selling them through my Facebook page. I've only got a handful, so get in quick if you want one. Without having too much of a look. They're probably going to be the cheapest you can get them in Australia, so pretty hard to come by. Yeah, if you're interested, jump on my Facebook page, Aussie Dos, and have a look. Those ones aren't ready, but over in the back somewhere there is a bunch ready to come down. This is where that snake was during the week too, so keep an eye out for him. Lucky the birds haven't got him. They mustn't have seen him yet. So if you didn't know, the way you pick bananas is you cut the tree down. Trees don't grow any more bananas as far as I'm aware, so you may as well take it down anyway. Saves you getting the ladder out too, so pretty easy job for this little axe, but we'll try it out nonetheless. And that is how you pick a bunch of bananas. These axes come with this little ring on it. It does say to take off before use. I think one of the better things about these Tomahawks is you can bang them and the head comes loose, changing handles or packing in your bag. Takes up heaps less room and it gives you options. Maybe you want a longer handle, easy, just tape it to the end, straight shaft. Put it back on, thread it in, give it a bang. Solid. So these were only half full. Out here, obviously the grain's filled up to almost 3/4 full, I'd say. So we're going to take one of these and tip it out and give it to the chickens and see how they enjoy it. Well, I think the results speak for themselves. They seem to be really enjoying this, and we'll come back a bit later and see if they've eaten a whole 2 kilos of grain after it's been fermented. This could be a way to save a little bit of money raising your chickens. They polished off the whole thing in about 10 to 15 minutes.